Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.
Hey Team Bella, welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. And I'm here with the plan with me and my vertical happy planner. So before we get started, remember 3 things for me. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so definitely have a lot going on. So I'm taking a little trip, impromptu, to help my sister out with something. I'm super nervous. I'm scared. I don't venture out very much during COVID, and but my sisterly duties call, so therefore I'm going to have to head out. So we are going to plan in this vertical planner for the week of the 22nd through the 28th. So we leave on Wednesday morning, and it's only an hour and a half flight, but still, y'all, I'm gonna move this up because I wanted to keep that noted on there because it matches, but I just remembered that I need to do something else. I need to put my quote there too. I need to make room. Okay, so we're gonna bring this all the way up here. Okay, and so this is my packing list that I'm gonna put right here. And this packing list, like, it's so cute. I'm gonna put it right here. That came from the new Essentially Planning, I think that's what it is, All the Plans sticker book that I haven't had the opportunity to use yet, but that was perfect and it was in the color scheme. So a couple of things I want to make you guys aware of. So my video is getting ready to drop this week on Wednesday. The title of the video is How Do You Know It's Time to Leave Your Job? I am definitely wanting to bring some different things to my channel and things that maybe I've gone through or an experience that I had that can help someone else. That's what I want to do. So that video is dropping, and if you're contemplating leaving your job, or if you want to know what are the signs when it's time, please stay tuned to that video. So that's coming up. Sticker books that I use for this video are the new, I think it's called Elegant Blooms from the Be Happy box. That I got some of these stickers from there. Colorful boxes. I use the minimalist sticker book and wild styled sticker books. So this video will be just like our previous ones that we've had, where I decorate my planner and then I go back and I put my plans down. But the difference will be for the vertical plan with me for next week, being that I am going to be out of town. I certainly don't want to miss out on the opportunity to share with you that I'm still decorating my planner, even though I am not physically here. So we most certainly will have a plan with me, but there will not be any plans in the next one. So even though I'm all about the plans, Well, with that being said, let's jump right into decorating this spread so that we can put some plans on it. So I grabbed my Uniball Signal there just to ensure that the line on the planner doesn't show through my clear stickers, which is that wild style like leopard print, and that clear, that floral sticker there from Sophisticated Blooms is the name of that sticker book. And I just love that little cluster. And then we put another cluster situation down on Tuesday, this time a circle and another floral and a flag. So on Wednesday, I start clearing everything out because I have some more of that leopard print from Wild Style there. And I wanted to make sure the line didn't show through. So I go to the bottom and I'm putting down a colorful box there, also layering it with another floral. And you guys know these wrong dolls from that Black Girl Magic sticker book, I can't stop using them. I can't help myself. So it's the latest phase that I'm into. So I jump here to the right side and I go ahead and I white out with that Uniball signal the area where I'm going to put that large Progress Not Perfection clear sticker and another wrong doll. I take another layered situation on the bottom there with that with the cheetah print or the leopard print from Wild Styled on it, and also that quote. And then I put a checklist, and then here we're going to layer that box so that it matches the opposite side of the page, along with that today, plan on it is what that speech box says there on top of the doll. So here I am just cleaning everything up, adding more florals, and then I realized that I had this washi tape from Simply Gilded, and I love it. It fits the spread perfectly, and I promise you that this light is not doing it justice. It has like this silky matte rose gold leopard print on it, so very fitting. So I'm just going to put a couple pops throughout the spread, and there we go. I think that's the final one. Love it. Okay guys, so here we are putting together my plans for next week. I am going to use my Villa Beautiful pen. Do I want to use the Villa Beautiful? No. My Inkjoy gel will work just fine. Okay. It's a little crooked. So let me try to straighten it up a little bit. Let's see. Important. Okay, so I'll be gone from the 24th through the 1st. So I need 6 outfits. So I'm going to put 6 outfits. Okay, of course I'm going to need underwear, toiletries. I'm going to need shoes, chargers, my iPad, work phone, because I don't always carry my work phone with me, so that's why I have to put that on there. I am actually going to wear a little makeup. I don't typically wear makeup, but hey guys, I'm going to sunny Florida, and although it's going to be, I have a purpose, and I will have to help my sister do some things. I definitely want to ensure that, you know, if we do go somewhere, oh, my bathing suit. I don't even know if pools are open. Let's see, my face shield and my disposable gloves. All right, so that's my little packing list of things that I can't forget. So first of all, Monday, hello, Coffee Monday. This is a rose gold sticker from, y'all know my place, Planning City. If you want to check Planning City out, I will have the link beneath this video. Miranda 15 for $15 off of your order. All right, so I need to check in here for the flight, and I do still have my religious meeting at 7:30. It's on Zoom. Midweek meeting. And so I'll just log into that and headed to Florida. Whoop whoop. So I'm going to check in for my flight. I've already ordered groceries. I need to make sure that I complete laundry on Monday. I want to pack my bag on Monday. I'm going to switch my budget around because I won't be here to really budget. Typically on Thursdays, I order my groceries, but I'll be ordering my groceries on Sunday to be delivered on Monday. I still will meal plan on Thursday. Okay. Friday is, what did I do with my tweezers? Friday's payday, so let's get some things that we know for sure that's going to happen. So payday is on Friday, so we're going to put this one. Now this sticker here, this payday sticker is actually from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. On Wednesdays, I have a PR post that I have to do. And so I'm going to put this here, my PR post, which will actually be scheduled probably on Monday. And it's for Facebook. So we're just going to put this here. Yes. Okay. So I want to do laundry. I want to pack my bag. Trying to think of anything else I want to do. Oh, I have to pick up a car. And then I will return the car on Wednesday. I could Uber. But because I get free rental cars at work, I'm not Ubering. I could just drive the car to the airport, leave it there, and keep it moving. Okay, I know that I am going to be having a Starbucks run on Thursday. There will definitely be a Starbucks run for sure. I'm just going to be out of town. I will be YouTube binging for sure. Okay. I need to make sure here I go ahead and budget. Because payday's on Friday. And today is Sunday. And me and Mr. Master Plan have not even met about our budget. We have a 10 a.m. meeting here via Zoom. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. Dinner. Oh, I need to call my friend Marcus. Call Marcus Joe. Marcus Joe. And I'm pretty sure once I do that, I will be having some dinner plans. Okay. I don't know where that dinner plan is going to be, and I don't even know if I like that there, but we'll put it there for right now. But this might be pretty cool to have. Always be brave and wild at heart. Let's put this on here. This is cute. Okay. All right. So that is my plans after the pen. Now, someone asked me in the comments last week, do I go back and fill things in? If I get another action item, of course, I will fill that in. But typically my weeks are very routine. This week is off routine a little bit because I will be traveling, but normally Monday through Friday, Monday through Sunday, especially with the pandemic, my plans don't really change. So that is that's kind of how I do it. My plans don't normally change, and I work from home, so I do certain things like order my grocery, to have my groceries delivered. Those things, I do that every single week, kind of routine. So it may be boring to some, but certainly, it's just my life. It's just pretty routine. It's pretty standard. I have an empty nest. So I'm not doing all of these, you know, exciting things. I do have some more things that I'm getting excited about as the weather is getting warmer. Hopefully, air quotes, with March coming in, the weather will be better in the morning. So I will be incorporating walking a few mornings a week. Since it's not as cold, it does not impact my lupus as much. So these are my plans. I'm all set to go. Make sure you check out my upcoming video on Wednesday where I merged my two passions, talent acquisition, which is my career, my profession, and my love of planning. And I'm just kind of merging the two and really trying to showcase things that are a little different but meaningful to me on my channel. I hope you guys are still liking to see me doing my plans as I am decorating my planner. So it's not all about it's not all about, you know, stickers and washi. It is actually plans and things that I have to get done. So I can't wait to hear your feedback on my latest video, but make sure you guys don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the very next video. Ciao, Bella.
Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect, hourglass timing. Good things come to those who wait.